You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio, your best source for 24-hour-a-day weather information. This station is KIH43, broadcast from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Louisville on a transmitter located in Floyd County, Indiana on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. The current time is 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for north central Kentucky and south central Indiana, including the Louisville metro area. Excessive heat watch in effect from Tuesday afternoon through Friday evening. Today, partly cloudy with isolated showers and thunderstorms. Highs around 90. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 20%. Tonight, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-70s. Southwest winds up to 5 miles an hour. Tuesday, partly cloudy with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 90s. West winds up to 10 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 40%. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Scattered showers and thunderstorms until midnight, then isolated showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the upper 70s. Southwest winds up to 5 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 30%. And now the extended forecast for the radio listening area. Wednesday and Wednesday night, partly cloudy with isolated showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-90s. Lows in the mid-70s. Chance of precipitation 20%. Thursday and Thursday night, mostly clear. Highs in the mid-90s. Lows in the mid-70s. Friday through Sunday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-90s. Lows in the mid-70s. An excessive heat watch remains in effect from Tuesday afternoon through Friday evening. Afternoon temperatures from Tuesday through Friday are expected to be in the lower to middle 90s. These temperatures combined with dew points in the lower to middle 70s will produce heat index readings into the 105 to 110 degree range during the afternoon hours. Heat indices are expected to remain generally above 75 degrees at night. These heat index values will lead to dangerous conditions for anyone planning outdoor or core play, as well as those who do not have air conditioning. This heat will also be quite dangerous for young children, the elderly, and those with chronic health conditions. An excessive heat watch means that a prolonged period of hot temperatures is expected, and a dangerous situation in which heat illnesses are possible. Drink plenty of fluids, stay in an air-conditioned room, stay out of the sun, and check up on relatives and neighbors, as well as pets. Take extra precautions, if you have plans, to spend time outside this work week. When possible, reschedule strenuous activities to early morning or late evening. Know the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing when possible, and drink plenty of water. To reduce risk during outdoor work, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends scheduling frequent rest breaks in shaded or air-conditioned environments. Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911.
The current time is 8:55 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time weather conditions across north central Kentucky and south central Indiana. At Louisville International, haze was reported. The temperature was 78 degrees, the dew point 73, and the relative humidity 84%. The wind was calm. The pressure was 30.13 inches and steady. At Bowman Field, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 77 degrees, the dew point 74, and the relative humidity 90%. The wind was calm. The pressure was 30.14 inches and steady. At Jasper, it was sunny, reducing the visibility to 2 miles. The temperature was 75 degrees, the dew point 73, and the relative humidity 94%. The wind was calm. The pressure was 30.15 inches and steady. Once again, at Louisville International it was 78 degrees with haze. Elsewhere around the region, it was sunny, with a temperature of 76 at Paducah and 77 at Evansville. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 71 at Jackson, 74 at Nashville, 75 at Bloomington, and 78 at Indianapolis. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 73 at Lexington, 74 at Covington, and 75 at Bowling Green. At Frankfort, rain and fog were reported, with a temperature of 73. Here is the hazardous weather outlook, issued at 4:38 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 3:38 a.m. Central Daylight Time. for portions of south-central Indiana and central Kentucky. For today and tonight, isolated to scattered thunderstorms are possible today, especially across southeastern Indiana and the Bluegrass region. Although sparse in coverage, these storms may produce very localized heavy rainfall and cloud-to-ground lightning. Isolated storms will continue this evening prior to ending before midnight. And now the extended outlook for the period Tuesday through Sunday. Scattered thunderstorms will be possible Tuesday afternoon and evening, with isolated thunderstorms possible on Wednesday. The best chance for thunderstorms will be mainly east of Interstate 65. A few storms on Tuesday could become strong to severe, with damaging wind gusts being the main threat. The main threats with any of the thunderstorms on Wednesday will be brief heavy rainfall, cloud-to-ground lightning, and gusty winds. Both the heat and humidity will increase during the upcoming week. While humidity levels are not expected to approach the extreme values observed last week, temperatures in the 90s will combine with the moist air to result in afternoon heat indices over 100 throughout the week, with the highest readings of 105 degrees or higher mainly west of Interstate 65. To avoid heat-related illnesses, limit outdoor activity during the hottest part of the day, and drink plenty of water when outdoors. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation may be needed Tuesday afternoon and evening. Here is the ultraviolet and sunburn potential outlook for central Kentucky and south-central Indiana. The UV index today is forecast to be 10, which is in the very high category.
This is the climate data for Louisville for yesterday. The high temperature was 90. The low was 76. That gave a mean temperature of 83, which was 4 degrees above normal. There were 18 cooling degree days for a monthly total of 282, and a seasonal total of 923, which was 272 degree days above normal. Heating degree days remained at 0 for the month, and 0 for the season, which was normal. No precipitation fell yesterday for a monthly total of 1.53 inches, and a yearly total of 42.79 inches, which was 16.93 inches above normal. Since midnight, the low temperature was 76, and no precipitation fell. The record high for today is 104, set in 1913. The record low for today is 57, set in 1976. Sunrise today 6:34. Sunset tonight 9:04. Sunrise tomorrow 6:35. Sunset tomorrow 9:03.